Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. You cannot fire roll atop a bottom board that is frosty or wet. So you should learn how to vertical fire roll. And I'll turn that pointy end to the right, because if I have it turned to the left and try to roll it, it's just going to unravel. So I'll make sure it's on the right. And I'll make up my coal extender. You want to saturate it very well with ashes through and through. Let's see what happens. I already practiced this thing about 6 or 7 times this morning. I only got a few ignitions and a few false starts where I actually had an ignition, but I left my fire roll so tight that it snuffed out that ignition. I think I've got it figured out. We'll see. I smell it. If you don't see smoke though, I'll go back and roll it some more. Once again, I had ignition, but it snuffed itself out. I got plenty more fire roll that I could try it again on. That's pretty tricky. It'd be so much easier with a different top board. But I like to add some challenge to what I do. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.